stay in the middle lane.
What is going on today, or I should say tonight? Jimmer and myself are heading down today. It's Wednesday. Heading down a little early. Gonna scope out a spot to get set up for camp for the group. Everybody else is going to be coming down throughout the next couple of days. Karen and Dave, Bob and Michelle are going to be coming down tomorrow, and then Jimmer's with me. Kimmy's going to be coming down on Friday with a Wannabango, so that should be fun. And yeah, just looking forward to getting down here. Been doing this, is going to be the 4th season doing this ride, and I look forward to it every season, and it seems to get better as each season comes. So can't wait to share that with you. And there's also some other things that I guess are going to be taking place. I don't know, like a special event. There's some kind of surprise waiting, so curious to see what that is. Guess we'll find out throughout the week of events and see what happens. I know myself, I brought the stock tires because I plan on racing the scrambler and the drag races, so that should be fun too. Might see if I can get a quick tune downloaded from RVS. We'll see what happens, but yeah, other than that, about to go have some fun, so stay tuned. We'll see you out there. A lot of machines here for so few people. Alright, it's the official first day at Tall Pine. And yeah, we're gonna go do some riding, do some exploratory. It's gonna be freaking steep. So I'm wondering if they're leaving that hump right there to get over. How's it going?
Nice to meet
Good
you,
to finally meet you. What's going on? How are you?
We just got back from a ride.
How was it?
Bumpy.
It's the lightest part of the course! They keep knocking them down!
Alright, day number 4, Tall Pines. Gonna go for a little ride, and then we're gonna go hit the bounty hole and see if we can witness Sam taking a win maybe this year. See what happens. But good day for riding, weather's perfect, ready to go have some fun with the friends. So Sam, you got any last words?
Somebody fund me money.
We'll put this on a GoFundMe.
Are you ready? Just a little set.
I'm gonna dock.
Okay. I don't want you to see you ruin it, Travis.
I won't. I don't know. Thought about that after we left.
Well, we'll go back. We'll go back, get it. Do it again.
Well, we can go hit the Black Diamond one.
That's right. Well, him and I came to this house over yesterday.
So maybe we'll do that. You want to hit the Black Diamond after? All right. Taking the new girl and leaving her here and bringing old Betsy out. Old BC. Love this girl. Go to the Black Diamond Mud Trail. See if we can get stuck. Have some fun. All right. Let's go get muddy. Woo! Come on. All right. See what we got in here. She gets deep. Whew. Back to camp we go. Before we do that though, we got one last hole up here that I'm going to have to try out because apparently people are getting pretty stuck in it, so we'll find out what happens up there in a second. Oh, it's a rock right there. Last day here, so gotta get what we can out of it. We'll be back! End it with a sunset.